Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Blessing, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are also welcome. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I make my carrot oil very simple and easy for skin glowing, for your body, and also for your face. You can also use this carrot oil, you can mix it with your cream. If you don't want to use a regular oil, you can use it to mix your body cream, and also you can use it to rub your body before having your shower. You can pretty use it for a lot of things, and it's very easy to make. So first thing I do is to grate my carrots, and after grating my carrots, this is how it looks like. I'm making a lot of it this time around, because I also use this carrot oil for my hair, for my hot oil treatment. Like I apply it on my hair before washing my hair, like pre-poo, like hot oil treatment. So carrot oil is really good. I use it for a lot of things, and it's very easy to make. And making your carrot oil is like you already have everything right in your kitchen, because most people do have carrots always at home. And all you also need is carrot, carrier oil, and other optional things. So the primary things you need for this carrot oil is your carrot, fresh carrot, carrier oil, and you can also use essential oil. You can also add essential oil if you want to. And before adding your essential oil, you should take note of this. If you want to mix it or your cream, you don't have to add too much essential oil. I know your cream also comes with essential oil, so you have to be careful while using essential oil. So after grating my carrot, and this it looks like I'm really making a lot of this, a lot of it, that's why it's really much like this. So I'll just go ahead and transfer it to my cooking pot, or you can use a cooking pan. I prefer using this pot. With this, I'll be able to see what is going on, because it's transparent. Is in transparent form, so you can actually see what is going on. So after that, I'll just go ahead and measure my oils. And the oil I'm using my almond oil, which you all know. If you have been watching my videos, you know I use almond oil a lot. I love almond oil. And this is grapeseed oil, and I'm using this to make carrot oil for the first time, and I'm just trying this out. I've already test it on my skin, and it's not irritating. And also grapeseed oil is very good. You have a lot of benefits. I've searched it, I've done my own research. That's why I start using this grapeseed oil. So I went ahead also to add my extra virgin olive oil. So I used tea oil, which is not compulsory. It's not necessary you have to use 3 oils. I just decided to be extra to have all the benefits on the oil. That's why I used 3 oils. You can also use one, preferably depend on what you want. You can use carrot oil. Like a lot of people get to ask me question, can I use coconut oil, can I use this? You can use any carrier oil of your choice, depends on your preference. So guys, after cooking the carrot oil, I just let it sit in my kitchen for 24 hours, so that the nutrients will infuse into the oil very well. This part is also optional. You can decide to strain your carrot oil immediately after cooking it in a low heat for about 30 minutes. In a low heat, don't let it be too hot. Don't let the heat of the gas to be too much on the carrot, so you have to be on a low heat to infuse gently and slow. So I just let it sit in my room temperature for more than 24 hours. This part is not necessary. I just like to be extra with this my carrot oil, because I love carrot oil a lot. I use it to mix my cream. I used to mix my baby cream. So I use it on my hair, like I mentioned earlier. I use it a lot. That's why I'm making a lot of it. And even this one I make is not going to be enough. So guys, after straining the oil, and this is how it looks like. What I will do, I will just let it sit on this surface. I will let it rest on the surface for about 1 or 2 hours. This process is to make sure to let the oil and the water separate itself. You know, oil and water don't mix, so that's why I left it for that hours. And then this is the second time. I just went ahead to use my very tiny cheesecloth to strain it, and this time I don't have to press it. I will just pour it on top of the for on top of it, and then let it come down by itself. And make sure you do this in case you are doing this carrot oil at home, because you don't want your oil and your water to mix together. So this step is really important, and this is what I did. And since I'm not using preservative, because I did use a preservative in this one, but if you want to, you can choose a preservative, and that is fine as well. I couldn't get anyone, that's why. And if I get my hand on any preservative, of course I will add a preservative to my DIYs. So you can see the water in the bottom of the oil that is left. It's not really a water like the carrot water, the water that came from the carrot. So I just went ahead to add my essential oils. This one is also optional. You can decide to skip it. You can decide to add essential oil and other things that you want, like vitamin E, but I did add it because if I'm using the carrot oil, I'm going to add it at the end, like the vitamin and the vitamin E and the glycerin. That's why I did add it at this point. So guys, that is it. This is how I make my carrot oil for my body and my face and for my hair as well. And that is it. You can also use this process to make it for your food, but you don't have to add essential oil. So that is it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you like this video. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel a lot, and also share with friends. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.